The aircraft general lesson will be covered in 5 sections. Let's begin with the alternate and momentary action switches. The majority of switches on the 757 are spring-loaded push-button type. There are 2 types of push-button switches: alternate action and momentary action. Pressing an alternate action switch activates the associated component, opens a mechanical shutter to expose the word and/or symbol associated with the switch position, and usually extinguishes the indicator light. When released, the switch remains in the latched position. When pressed again, the switch returns to the original unlatched position. The system is then deactivated, the shutter closes, and the system status or switch indicator light usually illuminates. Pressing a momentary action switch activates the respective system and usually illuminates an indicator light, which shows system status or response to switch movement. When released, the switch returns to the original unlatched position. Pressing the switch again deactivates the system and extinguishes the indicator light or lights. When released, the switch returns to the unlatched position. The momentary action switches may contain 2 system status indicator lights, or a single light. Light bulb replacement should not be attempted by the flight crew. Now let's look at the flight deck door. The 757 flight deck door opens toward the passenger cabin. The door is equipped with an electrical lock, which is controlled by the flight deck door switch, located on the overhead panel. The flight deck door switch has 2 unlocked indications. The upper indication appears when the switch is in the unlocked position, and the lower illuminates when the flight deck door is open. When the flight deck door is closed and locked, both lights are extinguished. To unlock the door from the cabin compartment, a key is required. A loss of electrical power will automatically unlock the door. The flight deck door has a breakaway feature that allows the door to be forced open in either direction during emergency situations. Next, let's discuss the door advisory lights. The door advisory light system provides security warnings for the entry and service doors, the emergency exit doors, the cargo doors, and the access compartment doors. The door advisory system lights are located on the overhead panel. The door advisory lights illuminate if the respective door or doors are not closed and locked. All door advisory lights are accompanied by an ICAS advisory message that specifies which door or doors are not secure. Next, let's turn our attention to the water and waste system. The potable water system, which provides fresh water to the galleys and lavatory sinks, is supplied from a single tank located behind the aft cargo compartment. The potable water system is serviced at two water service panels. The forward panel is located below and aft of the forward service door, and the aft panel is located near the bottom center line of the fuselage, below the aft service door. The 757 is equipped with 4 conventional lavatories. Each lavatory has an independent toilet waste system. The toilet systems are serviced from 3 separate external service panels. The panels are located on the forward left side, the mid left side just forward of the wing, and the aft left side next to the potable water service panel. The forward lav occupied light, which is located on the overhead panel, illuminates when the forward lavatory is occupied. Each lavatory sink and galley is equipped with a water shutoff and drain valve control for isolation capability. The wastewater from the galley and lavatory sinks are drained overboard through 2 heated drain masts located on the bottom of the fuselage. The last part of Aircraft General concerns the 767 differences. The flight deck door on the 767 is hinged on the left and opens into the cockpit. The 767 is equipped with a bulk cargo door located on the left side of the aircraft. The cargo door's light illuminates, and an ICAS advisory message appears when the bulk cargo door is not closed and locked. The 767-200 is equipped with 2 overwing exits. The -300 and ER has 4. The -200 is equipped with 5 lavatories, and the -300 is equipped with 6. The 767 has a unique lavatory that uses a vacuum pump or cabin differential pressure to route waste to 2 storage tanks. The controls and indicators for the 767 waste system are located on the aft flight attendant panel. All ER and some of the -300 aircraft are equipped with 2-level sensors. Should one of these sensors detect a full tank, a lav inop light will illuminate, and the respective toilet is automatically shut down. The affected tank system can be reset by pressing the respective sensor off switch. This action allows continued toilet use, provided the tank is not full. The sensor fouled light will illuminate should a level sensor become fouled or dirty. A fouled sensor may shut down all lavatory toilets associated with the affected waste tank.